Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. I am going to be making tahini today, and I wanted to take you through the process and show you how you can make this at home. It's very simple, and tahini is very versatile. It's delicious, and it can be used in dips and dressings. Some desserts even use tahini. You can use it in a lot of different things, and it just adds some flavor and nutrition to the meal. So I have already soaked and dehydrated these sesame seeds, which is the one ingredient that we're going to have for our tahini. If you want to know how to soak and dehydrate nuts and seeds, I'm going to put a little card right up here for you to take a look, and you can refer to that video to learn how to activate your nuts and seeds to increase the bioavailability and digestion of them. So we're going to get started. It's going to take 3 cups of sesame seeds to make our tahini. And we're just going to toss it into our food processor and put it on high for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's a little bit of a lengthy process, but it is well worth it. And it is so delicious, and it's so much better than store-bought tahini. For one, store-bought tahini is much more expensive, so you're going to be saving money. Also, you know how it was made when you make it at home, so there's not added salt or oil or anything else that you might not want to have in your diet. Sesame seeds are full of B vitamins, calcium, minerals, and fiber. So you're getting in a lot of great nutrients when you're consuming different nuts and seeds, just like sesame seeds. And so we're gonna get started here. We are going to put our 3 cups into the food processor, and then I'm gonna show you kind of the process of how I do it. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna use our S blade to make our tahini today. And we're just gonna toss in the seeds. So about 3 cups there. Okay, so this has been going for about 8 minutes. Now I'm gonna take the lid off, I'm gonna scrape down the sides and just help to make sure everything is getting blended in there. It's starting to look like a paste, but we've got still a few minutes to go until it is as creamy as we want it. And so it'll take just a couple more minutes, so let's get it going. Alright guys, it's been about 13 minutes now, and our tahini looks done. So you can see the oils are coming out, and after you blend for a while, that's what happens, so we are good to go. Alright guys, there you go. That is how you make a fresh, homemade, raw tahini. So we got down to about half of what we started with. We had the 3 cups of sesame seeds, and it blended down into about 1.5 cups of fresh tahini. So you can use this again in your sauces, your dips, your dressings, your soups. There's so many things you can do with this, and it is delicious and nutritious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you will give it a try. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments box below. Sign up for my 7 days raw vegan breakfast guide in the description box below as well. And until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Always remember to follow your raw intuition.
Detoxify your mind and body. Be the change you want to see. Small steps towards living better. Small steps to where I want to be.